Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the email address on your Netflix account. So here on the Netflix homepage, you can just click on your profile icon at the top and here click on account. Okay, so here you can just click on change email option, and first before you can change the email, you need to email a code so that the Netflix can confirm that it is your own identity that you want to change the email address. Just click on email a code, and you need to go to your Gmail or your email account and enter the code, and after that just click on enter code to continue and type in your new email address. Okay, so that's so easy. That is how you can change email address on Netflix account. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.